hindi ko na pahabain pa, no? So, we decided to go our separate ways. It's sad because I'm not really used na mag-isa anymore. Sobrang lungkot ko lang. Sorry, give me a minute. Hi friends, Miles here and I am back after a few months, no? So, kamusta ba kayo dyan? Ako, ito medyo naging busy lang kaya hindi tayo nakakapag-upload. The real purpose of why I'm making this video is just to update you guys. Although, wala naman talagang nag-ask. And again, the real purpose of this channel is to act as my journal and dun sa mga nakasubscribe siguro to give valuable lessons and tell stories. So I do not mind at all how low or how high the views get, no? I just made this as courtesy doon sa mga continuous na nagko-comment, sa mga continuous na nag-review. And I try to reply to everyone as much as possible. And I super appreciate you all. I actually have 3 things to update about. Isa-isahin natin yan. So, heads up na kagad, hindi to yung usual video natin, no? Balikan nyo lang yung mga videos before and maybe moving forward, yung mga post natin magustuhan nyo, but this one is more of a personal one. So, any interaction or pag-like, share, and subscribe sa channel natin will really help me out. And yeah, simulan natin to. At sa una kong update, syempre is about work because you guys knew me as someone who works in IT. So it's been a while since I've been back in corporate. Nakapagpahinga tayo ng 2 years and last January nga bumalik tayo and na-hire tayo ng EY or Ernst & Young. It's been 9 months and I think I have ample time to siguro get some information, gather data, to put out a review. I also want to share how I feel right now ngayong nakabalik na ako sa corporate, what changed, yung burnout ba, is it still there? Kamusta ba yung nararamdaman ko, yung estado ko sa work, how am I doing? Well, I plan to make a video about that in a separate video, no? So it will be like a year in review of going back to corporate. But yeah, so far it's been fun. I've met a lot of new people, a new environment. Although the work is still the same, I'm still in application support. So it's a breath of fresh air for me. And again, sasabihin ko lang ulit na makakatulong talaga yung pagpapahinga minsan, no? Lalo if you feel burnt out or nafe-feel mo na abuse ka na ng company mo. Sometimes you just need to take that rest na magpahinga. Regardless of the duration, basta makapagpahinga ka lang. But I still can't believe na nakapagpahinga ako ng 2 years, no? Isipin nyo na lang, I have limited money lang din na nag-resign ako. I was too scared. Through that break, I was able to start my trading business. Although, I wouldn't say it's successful. The market has literally crashed down. Although, I'm slowly trying to get back to it para pag bull run, may mga position na tayo at makatiba-tiba man lang. No? So yeah, had I not taken a break, hindi ko masusubukan yung mga gusto kong subukan. Something that I think you should be thinking about. And kung naghahanap ka ng sign, ito na yung sign mo kung nakapanood mo to. At going back, no, so dito nga sa napasukan kong engagement, sobrang dami ko natutunan. Para ako nasa yung training pod nila Goku, no? Iba yung space and time sa engagement na yun, but I'm confidently saying na madami ako natutunan, no? There's a lot of experienced people there that I was able to take a lot of lessons. Sobra. Pero minsan nakaka-pressure because you need to keep up. You have a lot of work to do. But I believe it's growing pains as you start to build something. Meron talagang mga paghihirap, ganyan. If you spend time, eventually there will be mastery. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Right now, I'm just giving my 100% and medyo committed tayo ngayon and ayun nga, wala pa tayo sa burnout phase. So, that's good. There's also an event I'm looking forward into na siguro pag nangyari na, I will be sharing also in this channel. For future plans, I think I'm looking into AI. I'm trying to study and maybe start something with AI. I don't really want to say much kasi baka ma-jinx, pero nasa AI ngayon yung focus ko and I'm trying to look into it and maybe build something upon it. Next update naman natin is for this channel. I would say that I'm at this point sa pagiging creator, no? Wow, creator. I'm at this point that I feel na medyo uninspired. Uninspired ako to make videos. Wala akong motivation, wala akong ideas na pumapasok. So I'm in a place right now that I really want to make videos. I really do. It's just that I don't know what videos I should do. Although I have this channel, no, and we have this team going on about IT and ganyan. I feel like I want to reach more people. I feel like I can do more. I love telling stories. I love compelling stories. I love sharing memes. I like to talk about different things. I like deep conversations. So I don't really know what to do and how I will integrate it in this channel. It crossed my mind to create a new channel just for that. Kaya nga hindi rin talaga ako maka-upload for the past few months. Although, to be fair, I was really busy. Kaya naman, I'd like to ask your opinion. Tingin nyo, should I make a new channel for other topics? Ano yung ginagawa nyo pag uninspired kayo or feeling nyo na hindi kayo motivated to do something? So comment lang kayo below. I genuinely am asking for advice. I consider myself someone who loves the art, so not creating something is killing me inside. I want to express it as much as possible, but I feel like I'm being limited right now. What if mag-OnlyFans na lang din kaya ako? And ang last update ko is about my marriage. So, you've been with me ever since I was single, nung na-engage ako, and nung kinasal ako. Hindi ko na pahabain pa, no? So, we decided to go our separate ways. It's sad because I'm not really used na mag-isa anymore. Sobrang lungkot ko lang. Sorry, give me a minute. Like I said, we decided to go our separate ways. Nito lang weekend kasi hinatid ko siya sa airport na naman. Yun na naman yung yearly trip niya papuntang Pune. And mapapasana all ka na lang talaga kasi yung company nila is pinadala na naman sila sa ibang bansa. And I actually miss traveling. So, na-share ko na rin dito before sa channel na to, no. I've been to India before. Although gusto ko naman sa ibang country, no. Any travel would do, any onshore opportunities. Basta short term lang, no? I would be really happy. And yun nga yung wife ko, we went our separate ways. Pumunta siya doon, nandito ako sa Pilipinas ngayon. But she will be back on over the weekend. So, susunduin natin siya. I really want to make a video about what being assigned onshore feels like. Ano yung mga experience na makukuha mo, ano yung mga kailangan mong i-expect pag nagpunta doon. I think I made a video about that before. So, gusto ko din ma-refresh yun. So, baka naman, company na pinag-workan ko, padala nyo naman ako. Yeah, so yeah, everything's fine. It's just that nakakaingit din, no? Sana all na lang talaga. Yeah, these are things na hindi ko na dapat sinishare pero shinare ko pa rin dahil ganyan kayo ka-close sa akin. So, yun lang yung mga updates natin. Thank you for watching. I won't promise anything. Sabi ko nga, I'm just looking for inspiration and hopefully, mahanap ko siya, no? Para makapag-create pa ako ng maraming videos and I really want to give value to everyone in one way or another. So if you watch this video all throughout, hopefully nakapagbigay ako ng value although this is more of a personal one. Comment na rin kayo, kamusta na ba kayo? Anong update sa inyo? I know a lot of mga nagko-comment before yung mga about sa nag-a-apply sa Accenture. So kamusta ba? Nakapasok na ba kayo? So whatever it is, just comment below kung gusto nyo mag-share. Yan lang, di ko nang patatagalin tong video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Wag me and I'll see you in the next one.